I'm just going to take a few moments to rest and be. And this is really a non-doing. So maybe first thing in the morning or last thing at night, it's quite a useful thing to rest along with. So it's a guidance into being that you already are. The relaxing of the mental, physical and emotional realms that appear in what you are. So we let go of the appearances, the thoughts, feelings and emotions. We're not trying to get rid of them. We just are allowing them to be there. We're not needing the moment to be any other way than it's appearing. And then we have chance to feel into this felt sense of just being here effortlessly. Just noticing what's here without needing to manage it. You can feel like we're just resting back and we've got this open, broad view. We feel like we're located in the head. We can drop down, down, down to the ground of being. And we can use the contact points of the body in the bed, or we can feel into the heart space. Notice the breath in the heart area, the center of the chest. Again, we're not doing anything. We're simply noticing the rise and fall of the breath spontaneously appearing. We can use the breath like an anchor, a portal into being. It's a settling into what we fundamentally are. This ground of being. Our fundamental nature. Effortlessly. Resting as what we are. There may be contractions or thoughts or stories appearing. We just notice them. We don't need to resist them or change them, or we don't need the moment to be any different than how it's appearing. Because what we are is fundamentally untouched by what appears. So again, it's just that resting back in what we are. Just letting go of the potential to contract or grasp or need the moment to be different. So it's an undoing, a disentangling from the doer. not through effort, from simply being what we are. I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.